Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set the automatic downloads on your PlayStation 5 for your games or maybe your applications. So you can just be playing Call of Duty, put in rest mode, and then a download will prompt when there is one available. And you don't have to install anything. So let's go to settings right here. And then scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says save data and game app settings. Then go to where it says automatic updates right here. And we have the option for auto download. Your PS5 will check for the latest updates and download update files when they're available. And then we have auto install and rest mode. If you're using a game or app that's being updated, it will close to allow the update files to be installed. So make sure these two things are checkmarked. Then we need to go to system, power saving, features available in rest mode. And select stay connected to the internet. Okay, so let's back out. Go to system. Then go on down to where it says power saving. Then go to the right and go to set features available in rest mode, the middle option. And then we want to make sure we're connected to the internet. And then we do have other options like enable turning on from the internet if you're going to be using remote play or something like that. And then we have Spotify as well. But make sure the stay connected to the internet option is available right here and selected. And you should be good to go with your update files now. Then we do have one option for the system software as well. So if we want to go ahead and update our system software, just make sure these two options are checkmarked as well, and you should be good to go with everything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.